Hi, we thought we'd give a quick instructional video on how to use Confetti Master's confetti cannons. All the instructions are on the base. There's a QR code on there as well. There's an arrow pointing away from yourself. Obviously, make sure you point it away from yourself. There's also a safety seal. Clearly says, remove before use. So remove the seal. Use them down. Point the cannon away from you. Make sure there's nothing fragile in your way. And then you twist the base of it quite firmly. There is a kick. And there you go. There goes the confetti. No pyro, no heat, nothing. There you go.